How to remove table border in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the best way. Okay, so there is a few way you can make invisible the table border, so I will show you one by one. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here I'm on my Google Docs page. So let me insert one table here. So I just so okay, I take the two column, or okay, three, two column and three cell, you can see. Okay, I have three cell here, so I just write something into this table. So now if you want to make, remove this table border, if you want to remove all table border, you have to select the all table like this, and here you can see the option called border width and make it 0 pt. So this is the first option. I just undo it, and another option you can use, then you can keep the border your background color and your table border color same. So in my case, my page background color is white, so I need to make it white, so it will be make it invisible. So okay, so if you want to delete the some lines like between line or top line only, then you have to select that line like this. Okay, just keep cursor over that line and select it, and go here and make it white as your background color, or make it 0 pt width, so it will be invisible like this. Or you can also select the all border and select your border with this option. If you want to select the only middle border, just select this option, then your middle border will be selected like this. Now make it 0 pt, it will be invisible. So that is how you can remove your table border. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.